Hello everyone, welcome to the First Motors. Today we are going to look at the very nice and beautiful K5 2011 LPG. As you can see, the exterior is very clean and it features a panorama roof. Panorama roof is a big plus for this model of K5. The tires are in good conditions with plenty of tread left. You won't need to replace them. You can see from the back K5 you're seeing this beautiful K5 from different angles. As you can see, it has very beautiful wheels also. The lights are in a very good conditions. Yeah, it's very nice. Let's have a look at the trunk of this car. Friends, you may know that the cars which runs on LPG in South Korea, the fuel tank is located in the in the backside of this car. Despite of that, as you can see, there is a lot of space in a trunk that you can put your things. Let's move inside. Let's have a look at the back seats of this beautiful car. As you can see, it features leather seats. They are in a very good conditions since they are well maintained. As you can see, it also comes with the Panorama Sunroof, which is a big plus for this model of K5. I will show you from inside also. Yeah, this is panorama roof. Let's close it. Let's open it. The dashboard and trim pieces look nice, and overall the cabin feels comfortable and spacious. This car has navigations, black box, and also high pass, so don't worry if you want to drive it inside the Korea. It has also automatic folding mirror. As you can see, it has also a rear camera. Let's start the car. As you can see, the engine sound is very normal. It has a very good engine and also transmission. Let's test the transmission. Let's put it in R without any kind of shock. So the emission is very good. Let's put it in D. Yes, without any kind of shock. It shows that the engine and the emission of this car is in very good conditions. Let's have a test drive. As you can see, the steering is very soft. Acceleration is very good. Yes, as you can see, brake system, acceleration are both in a great conditions. Yeah, it's very nice. Yeah. Let's continue. A great condition. Thank you so much for watching, friends. If anybody like to own this beautiful K5, feel free to contact me. or if anybody wants to export this car, you can also contact me.